Do you ever feel like a plastic bag, drifting through the wind wanting to start again? Or do you ever feel like an emo hormonal pineapple, crying through a mental breakdown? Well, if any of those adjectives describe your current state, I have the video to help you out. Today I'm showing you guys my Pamper routine to help me relax, feel good about myself, and less like a lump of coal. So, let's get started. I don't know why I don't take baths more often. I haven't taken one in probably 3 years. Oh wait, I remembered. It's because you waste so much water. But you know what? I think I've provided a copious amount of water back to the earth in the form of tears in the past 3 years, so I feel like it cancels out. While I let the water run, I am going to start tying up my hair, and I'm using this cute velvet pink scrunchie. But the thing is, my hair is kind of short right now, so the back pieces fall out. And since I don't have any hair clips or anything of that sort, I have to use my headband to hold it up from the back. And it does look a little wonky, I'm not gonna lie, but you gotta do what you gotta do. It works. That's the teases. Is it? Now I'm putting in a bath bomb. I'm not really sure which one this is called, but it looks really pretty, and it's pink, but it's blue on the inside. And it's just so relaxing to watch a bath bomb fizz out and create all these pretty colors. And then I can finally get in the tub, and as you can see, I am having such a good time. It's so relaxing. I totally forgot how nice it feels to be in a bathtub with water, obviously. It kind of feels like you're getting like a 360 hug. All my worries seemed to go away for those 30 minutes, and I felt good. The next thing I like to do is put on some music. So right now I'm just putting on my April playlist. I'll link it down below. It has some bops, it has some chill songs, but I just take this time to clear my mind and allow myself not to drown in the million problems in my life, but instead to drown in water. Not like actually drown, but okay, I realize I probably could have worded that a lot better. Speaking of water, I like to keep myself hydrated these days. You guys know I'm not a big water drinker, so drinking water actually makes me feel accomplished and like I'm actually being healthy for once. So just like I want to strip away the problems in my life, the next step is to strip away the hairs on my body. And today, I'm gonna try shaving for the first time. I'm so scared! Believe it or not, I've actually never shaved before. I've been waxing my entire life, so I'm used to that. I'm just like really scared of razors, but today I was like, you know what, let me conquer my fear. Maybe it'll help me feel better about myself, accomplishing something. It might be a little win for me. Today I'm using the new Joy razor. It's pastel pink and the grip is really rubbery and silicone-y, so it's nice to hold. I thought this would be good to use for my first time shaving since it's really cute and it has 5 blades. Apparently that means it's really good. Not that I would know because I've never shaved before, but I guess we'll put it to the test today. So I'm using the pink one today, but they also have the teal one. You can get this exclusively at Walmart. So I also have the matching shave mousse. This is also pink. It's the Glee brand. I'm gonna be honest with you, I have no idea how to use this because I've never used it before. I'm sweating. Oh, that smells so good. So I guess, what do? It says, shake bottle, flip can, dispense mousse onto wet skin, shave ribs. Seems easy enough. So I have the shave mousse, but it also comes in a shaving gel. I'm using this one because it matches. I've watched like 2 shaving tutorials. It's fine, I can do it. Yep. How do I do this though? Yeah. All right, here goes something. Oh. Oh. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, this feels really nice. What do I do now? Do I need more? Okay. I'm like terrified of cutting myself, so I don't know how cuts happen and if there is a way that will prevent cuts, but I'm gonna try my best and hope that I don't die today. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Oh, the cap is still on. Hi. Oh my gosh, I can't. Oh my gosh, why can't I do it? I'm being so dramatic right now. Okay. Oh, I'm scared it's gonna hurt. Okay, I think I need more shaving mousse. Do I though? I don't know what the proper amount is. Okay, you know what? I just need to do it. Okay. Okay, why am I so scared? here. It'll be fine. Okay, but like how hard do I press? I'm doing it, guys. Wait, it's working! Why am I so surprised? Wait, that's like surprisingly easy. I did like 1 inch. Wait, that's so smooth. What the heck? Shaving with this razor is so easy. I don't know about any other ones. Now I think I only trust this one. Shout out to you, Joy. Compared to waxing, this takes like 5 seconds. I am confusion. Holy. Oh my gosh, I am fascinated right now. These 5 blades are really pulling through. This is some sorcery right here. For some reason, I thought it was gonna hurt, but it, like, you don't feel anything at all. This is truly amazing. Wow, yay me. Look at me go. Oh. Burrito belly is really pulling through right now. Dude, what? How is it layering like this? This is like one of those balloon animals. I just finished shaving for the first time ever. Go me. I am a boss lady. Things I did. That. After my bath, I like to go take care of my skin. So on most days, I don't really treat myself that well, so my skin is pretty bad. I just normally wash it with water. But today, since I wanna make myself feel like the queen that I know I am inside, I'm gonna wash my face with some cleanser. Wow! I actually just use any random cleanser that I have. After cleansing my face, I like to exfoliate, and this just gets rid of the dead skin cells. I have really dry skin, so I really need that. I should probably do this more often than I do, but I'll take what I can get from myself. And after I cleanse my face, I like to put on a face mask. I just love it. It makes me look like a tiger, but it makes me feel like a tiger inside too. For this face mask, I'm only supposed to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. I washed the face mask off. My skin felt so good after, and now it's time to lotion it up. So for moisturizer, I don't really use a specific one. I kind of just use whatever I have at hand. Next, since my skin is so dry, I also need to apply an oil. It makes me look really glowy and makes my skin feel really moisturized. And I actually apply this day and night since my skin is so dry. I just put 3 drops on my face and kind of massage it in. So that is my current skincare routine. And then I also like to moisturize my legs. I know right now it looks like I'm not wearing any pants, but I am wearing shorts. It does look like a giant diaper, but they are just white biker shorts. So to all of you who think I'm naked, I'm not, but thank you for your concern. I do have one problem with my legs, and that's like strawberry legs. Basically, it's those like red little bumps or marks. If you guys have any tips on how to remove those, I would super appreciate that. And after all of that is done in the bathroom, I like to just plop into my bed, grab my laptop, and watch some shows. While I'll admit this isn't the most productive thing ever, it's honestly just a good way to distract my mind for a couple of hours. Some of my current favorite shows are Jane the Virgin, Grey's Anatomy, The Good Doctor, Glee, and actually The Amazing Race. Is it a waste of time? I don't know, but all I know is it makes me feel good, and sometimes that's all you need.
Waking up in the morning, I can't remember yesterday.